Now there is a couple things I want to keep doing to this one. I got the thumb throttle right here. Got the new tires on there. I still need to paint it, clean it up, paint it, redo the seat. And I'm also going to put lights on this one. So I'm going to put a brake light back here, and then the headlight up there. I also got some steel to do some of these gussets back here. Kind of like the way it looks back here. I might put some down here. I'm not sure yet. And on these, I might end up trimming them a little bit. I don't like the flat look. I don't know. I might keep it and just do the flat look on this one too, if I decide to do that. But this one's coming along. My daughter has already driven it around the block with me, and once we get it painted, she's really gonna like the color of what we decide to do. But stay tuned, guys. There's more videos coming out where I clean it, maybe weld those tabs on there, maybe weld the tab for the backlight or for the stoplight. The gussets I want to do, clean up the engine, and then we're gonna strip it all down, clean it up, prime it and paint it the way we did with the other mini bike. So stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe my videos, comment, shoot me a message, any ideas, anything I can change, anything I can add. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.